Welcome to another episode of Do you know what we're making today?
Nope.
Chicken salad.
Chicken salad.
Yeah, what do we need?
Chicken.
And
Some
mayonnaise.
mayonnaise.
Yeah, these are the two most important ingredients. Every chicken salad is gonna have chicken and mayonnaise. And I have baked our chicken already. I'll show you what I did with that in a little bit. But we have our chicken, we have our mayonnaise, and here are all the other things that we're gonna add to make our chicken salad awesome. What else is here, Chloe?
What is this?
It's a raisin,
Raisin.
and that is a craisin, a dried cranberry. And we have some walnuts.
Walnuts.
And
some celery.
celery, yeah. What's this?
Lemon.
It's a lemon, yep.
And some apple.
And an apple. And then we have some oregano.
Oregano.
Oregano,
Oregano.
yeah. And we have some basil. I know it's. I know this isn't the basil you're used to seeing, but we grew our basil really close together in a small little pot, and this is what we got. But it tastes the same, and it smells the same. Does this smell good? And you can use a lot of different
Basil?
basil, oregano, any kind of really good spices that you have you can add if you've got them fresh. But we have some sugar
Sugar.
and some pepper.
And some salt.
Yeah, and I also used some Montreal steak seasoning when I baked the chicken, and I also used some garlic salt. When I started baking the chicken, I also took the raisins and the dried cranberries and I started soaking them in water to start to rehydrate. Because they just taste a little bit better if they have a little bit more moisture. I also used a little bit of olive oil to coat the chicken but when I baked it. So we wanted to keep all the juices in the chicken that we could. You ready to get started?
Yeah.
All right.
Coat the chicken in olive oil. Then use pepper, salt, sugar, steak seasoning, garlic sauce, fresh herbs, and lemon to season the chicken. Use chicken breast that still has the bone and skin. It helps keep the meat from drying out. Place in the oven between 3 to 400 degrees. Cook until the chicken reaches 165 degrees. Once the chicken has cooled down, remove the meat from the skin and bone. Cut your chicken into small pieces and place it in a large mixing bowl. Cut all of the ingredients. You want to add. Daddy added raisins, dried cranberries, toasted walnuts, apples, lemon, and celery.
All right, we're at our mixing phase. We're gonna add a little bit of the juice from the chicken because it's delicious. It has lemon and sugar and salt. Let's just add a couple tablespoons of that.
I don't know what it tastes like.
Well, you'll know in a little bit. Also, at this point, before we add our mayonnaise, I'm gonna add a little bit of sugar. And I'm gonna add a little bit of salt because a good chicken salad is both sweet and savory. All right. Ready to mix, Chloe?
Let's go.
All right, your mayonnaise, just be careful with it because everybody likes a different amount of mayo. So I'm gonna start with maybe 3 large spoonfuls of mayo, and I'm gonna let Chloe mix it up.
Daddy,
Yeah?
why did the chicken cross the road?
I don't know. Why?
To get to the Edian's house. Knock, knock.
Who's there?
The chicken.
Hey, Chloe. Well, I think it needs a little bit more sweet and a little bit more savory. But I feel like it has the right amount of mayo. So, I'm gonna use a little bit more sugar and a little bit more salt.
It's good.
How is it?
Good.
Is it ready?
Oh.
Can you give it a thumbs up? Chloe, you ready to try? Do you want Daddy to cut your sandwich? Okay. Here. Squeeze this together for you. There you go. Give it a try. Let everybody know what you think. That's some good chicken salad.
What is it?
So that's some good chicken salad. Do you like it? And this goes great in any kind of bread, in wraps, on a salad.
Now we can make some a dark time.
I can make it a lot of times. Yeah, I can. It's great in the summer too, when you want something kind of cool, but also delicious and hearty that's gonna fill you up. So, try out this chicken salad. Let us know what you think. You want to say bye to everybody? Or at least wave to everybody?
Bye, everybody.
We'll see you next time.
Don't forget to subscribe. See you next time. Bye-bye.